Storms are as beautiful as they are powerful and terrifying. Sometimes they're just amazing to watch. With that in mind, here are some awesome storms captured by intrepid photographers over the last few years. Firstly, imagine being on board this boat. Technician Corey Smith was when a tornado hit Chatham Harbour in Pennsylvania. The winds reached speeds of 110 miles per hour, and you can see just how scary it must have been.
Line snapping, sails pulling out.
This apocalyptic footage looks like it's straight out of a disaster movie, but one bold man and his GoPro decided to capture what it's like to be caught in a violent dust storm. On top of his roof in Toba Teja Singh in Pakistan, Mohammed Noman Afzal bravely stood with his camera as the storm moved ever closer, darkening the sky with every second. This Indonesian videographer had to wait 12 hours in extreme conditions to capture this footage, but it was worth it. It shows a ferocious lightning storm over the active volcano Mount Sinabung. Time-lapsed, it looks phenomenal. Speaking of time-lapses, this one is truly stunning too. You'd be happy just capturing the Milky Way in this quality, but filming a lightning storm frantically dancing beneath it is even better. The extremely rare footage was shot in Siargao, the Philippines, and was only possible because photographer Martien Janssen travelled to the area when there was minimal light pollution. Next, you wouldn't want to be on board this plane. A terrified dad filmed this while the aircraft was landing at Tampa International Airport in Florida. In the end, the plane couldn't land because the storm was too powerful, so it circled the airport while the lightning raged around it. Finally, check out this brutal storm swooping over New York City. Peter Alessandria took more than 1,000 images and stuck them together to create this terrifying time-lapse. He actually stayed to shoot the storm after sending everyone working with him home to keep dry.